listen. You reach quick this morning, man. Just wake up, man. Wake up long time. Wake up like you just reach. You just reach and call me. Every minute me I look out the road. Every minute me I look out the road. I know what you're talking about. I listen at the place, guys. Early morning workout. Waiting on Alicia to come now. I don't know if she's going to do this workout now because she's not eating. She's on this liquid diet.
Boom.
Yeah, man. They're on liquid diet, so might have to give her some easier workout. But we can probably go do a little jog before she come out, you know. Yeah, we do that. Guys, we just got back from a little jog. Well, a big jog. But looking at the video, guys, and I realized I need to do an ear routine. My ear a growth. So I need to do an ear routine with Alicia today. You know what I mean? Oh man! Alicia and Richard, they look like Amika pressure. Amika inside the pressure, guys. But yeah, we're going to get to some workout stuff. Like I said, I don't know how much Alicia can do. But we're going to do some stuff. When it? Alicia, your turn.
I don't need my shoes on today.
No, stop there. Stop it down here. So guys, so this one is 3 sets of 20 or 4 sets of 20, whichever one you feel like do. This morning is abs morning. Alice don't like to do abs.
Oh.
Man, 8 abs. So we'll make sure that everything this morning is just abs, just core workout this morning. And I'm adjusting it for Alicia too. Don't want to do any strenuous workout. Man!
I'm doing Pilates after.
Yeah, the Pilates after
Alicia,
today.
I love that thing so much.
As I'm seeing results.
Oh, Alicia, man. John was tired.
You didn't like it when we did it.
No.
It's abs, I do legs, I do booty, I do arms. It seems all like easy, but
Yeah. Guys, this is Alice's last set. Go ahead and go mash it up.
Probably not going to hear it from me. Hold on.
Get them, Alison.
I think I was going to keep foot on the ground.
Get them, Alison. Eh?
I think I was going to keep foot on the ground.
Keep your foot by your groove.
Yeah, man.
Keep your foot off by your groove for the first 10, And then next pen you put it down.
I'm down here for
Range, man. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like you can go on straight through, man. 12, 13, 14. Come on, man. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hey! Get them all this off me! Oh, yeah, man!
Oh, don't keep your trouble right now.
Eh?
Oh, don't keep your trouble right now. That's the blood vessel now, Mr.
I feel like blood vessel a bus. This take a lot of willpower, you know, because I remember last year in Alice's start. Guys, from Alice's start last year, Alicia's birthday. Him don't finish. So 1 year, we have got 1 year now. Next month, remember 1 year now. So we start, remember we started last year, June. From the start, him don't stop.
Pregnant and now I'm joining you.
Yeah, man. So willpower, you know, willpower. And the only break we didn't make was when the place in lockdown.
Yeah, I know
You know, the lockdown them, we take a break, and yeah. But yeah, guys, so if you want to do this, you have to make up your mind. And I know, so yo, this is what I want to do. You want to lose the weight, or you want to get some abs, or you just want to be fit or toned. You just have to be dedicated. Man! Turn. Yeah. So guys, this one is a really good one. Right? I don't remember the name for it, but pretty much we're doing abs all sides. So the one we catch. 1, 2, 3, show back. Alright? Okay. Wherever. Come. Bombard! Come on. Look at 10 feet first one. Go on.
That pressure.
Come on, man. Halfway, come.
One more, 5?
5 more, yeah. Come on, man, 3 that winner. Come on, 2 more.
Alright, now lose our coordination.
Come, Joe. Yeah, alright, last one. Why? That's where I go out, man.
Oh, good, confused.
Eh?
Good, confused.
Where I go out, man. Man, I forget the exercise.
That's a great mental fortitude.
Oh, guys.
Struggle.
Yeah. Man. Guys, you guys can use a football or a basketball to do this. You don't have to do no weighted ball.
I got also not going.
You're making sounds now.
I want to make your abs them burn 15.
I think that's 15. We'll call it up on the video. Come, that's side.
Yeah. Yeah. Then.
Yo, man, I'll catch you from there. Video from the camera angle, so it's security camera. Guys, make sure you're counting now. Front. 10. 10, yeah, front.
Like this?
Yeah.
Pilates, man.
Yeah, so where am I running from?
Huh?
Pilates, where am I running from?
It actually has really helped in the last week. My abs were so weak.
Yeah, see, anytime we have abs, Alice always say I'm late for work. Always late for work. Yo, Powells, now go get ready now. Powells, now get ready now.
How much is?
So guys, this last one is going to be V sit-ups. So I'm going to like lay down on your back and bring your ball and bring up your foot and turn it away. Bring up the ball and your hands and your foot same time. Straighten your foot. Put the ball behind you, put your foot on the ground. Yeah, and come up now and meet it and yeah. Come keep your foot straight. Yeah. Keep your foot knee straight. 20. Sure, 20. Alright. Woo!
I like ball, this one, listen. No, man, I like ball.
Man, I use the girl ball. I mean, I say that flow, and a ball, so. Man, use the girl. I'm a wicked man, this man.
This last is what the ball is shot.
Man, use the 6-pound ball. What a wicked brother this. And a ball boy, yeah man, 20 pound, 20. And a man. So Alicia is doing her Pilates. Yeah, she's working on working off YouTube. So you guys can search on YouTube for Pilates if you want to. If this look like it nicer, look easy, but it you feel it.
Alice, you can testify.
Yeah, Alice, you can testify to that. Yeah.
Which way?
Yeah? Oh, you mean that is a buckle?
Yeah, I don't really.
Alright guys, on that note we're gonna end of this little workout vlog. We did a jog around the hill, about 15 minutes. Jog around the hill, and then we came back and did some core work. See, Alice is still doing his core.
You feel bad?
Still doing his core. Alicia doing her Pilates. Like I said, guys, you can look on YouTube to find these Pilates exercises. But yeah, guys, that's it for us today. We're going to cool off, get Amik ready for school. Oh man, Amik's still asleep?
Well, yeah, he was.
Might drop a little clip of Amik somewhere in this. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like the little workout, and I hope you try it. Try it, guys. You know, and you will see the results. Oh man, I'm tired. Woo.
It's a bat, but do you see your Paw Patrol?
Where's the
big
bat?
boy underwear? Paw Patrol, big boy underwear. Right?
Hey, buddy.
Paw Patrol.
You saw a bat? Where's the bat?
Scratch your face. Why do you have so much scratches on your face? Where was the spooky ghost? You're watching too much Halloween stuff. That's why.
Spooky ghost.